Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A07 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with opening the Play Store, but before, make sure that you've got the internet connection. I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then we can open the Play Store. Obviously, you will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device, if you're logged in. If not, you can do it right after entering the Play Store, or you can simply check our tutorial of how to do it if you don't want to do it on your own. Alright, so now we are in the Play Store, so here we have to tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is our account. Then let's go to My Apps and Games, and here tap on updates available. And as you can see, this is the list of all updates pending, and it depends what you actually want to do. Because as you can see, here you've got this option update all, and after tapping on it, your device will update all of those apps. Or you can update them manually one by one by choosing a specific app and tapping on update next to it. So I'll pick Gmail, maybe Google, maybe Messages, and maybe Instagram. And as you can see at the top, right now we've got those apps which we've decided to download. And now our device is downloading the update, and after that it will be successfully and automatically installed. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.